But when you get up it, that picked up.
It did.
I wasn't expecting that. Welcome back, viewers. Here we are, the 1969 HT Monaro. This thing's alright.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Kind of clean, you know. I normally drive my cars in the rain, through the mud. I'll leave them unwashed. This I would feel bad just taking out in like a dusty day.
Yeah, I don't think this thing's ever been wet by the look of it.
That's style of your sex tape, isn't it?
Yeah. So it came into us and it was running the 308. And I think the customer wanted a bit more pep, so he's opted for a 383 small block stroker, fresh crate engine.
Got the full original look, like it's got the right paint, all the right chrome, the right badges, it's got the hubcaps. The interior is absolutely amazing, but we'll get back to that. It looks like a completely original car, but now it's got just enough grunt to have some fun.
The motor is it's a fresh crate engine. It's a 383 small block stroker. We finished it off, got a CBF serpentine kit in black on there. With basically all the usual goodies we use from friends like low car dipsticks. Yeah, it's basically looks original, but it's not. It has a custom oil pan so that it was able to fit into this, obviously being small block. It has ice ignition distributor, coil, control box. It's had a full engine bay rewire just to keep everything fresh. It's running an Edelbrock Performer intake and a 750 CFM carb. What more could you want?
Oh, supercharged, you know.
Well,
yeah.
Of course. And it sounds nice too due to the pacemaker extractors, and it's got a full custom exhaust system underneath it now too.
But when you get up it, that picked up.
It did.
I wasn't expecting that.
Then when it came into us, we also found the steering was a bit wondery. So we've had the ram rebuilt. Now the rams in these cars are very rare, hard to find, so it took some time tracking all the parts down and sourcing it and whatnot, but yeah, steering a lot better than it was.
As far as originality, the interior is crazy. Like, it still has a sticker on the steering wheel, which you pointed out before.
Yeah, don't feel that off.
I won't. I want to, but I won't. Like, it's got the original stereo, the seats are incredible, the door cards, the roof. Like, this car is a solid 10 out of 10 as far as originality. And you were saying the number plate has a pretty cool story too.
Yeah, so the number plate's a really nice touch. So it's KJK345. And those that are keen on Monaros and Bathurst fans will know that that was the winning number plate on the 1969 car. Yeah, obviously it was either Victoria, I think, or New South Wales plate, and this is a Queensland retro. But yeah, it was the number 44 car that won Bathurst. Colin Bond, Tony Roberts. So those that are keen eye would recognise that.
Colin Bond, as we've mentioned, Jeff, a very experienced rally driver, a young man who loves his motorsport, is very skilled in it, driving under pressure extremely well, quickly and tidily. He comes out of Forest Elbow, good off at Evan, and we're going to see some fairly slow laps now.
Finished in Daytona bronze. It's got the black GTS stripes, original wheels, hubcaps. It's just, yeah, it's just an all-around showroom looking car.
Hell yeah, it is. Alright guys, we hope that you enjoyed today's episode. We definitely did. Make sure you check out the website for any parts and give us a call if you need any work done on your car. Until next time, see you then.
Thanks guys.